Here we go. I just finished another install Compustar remote stuff until VE 2010 with a factory remote. I'll show you how to start with this car as a manual. This is a manual GTS. So basically, you come in the car, you start the car. Car start. So now this is a manual, right? So basically, you're driving in gear, you put back to neutral, put your handbrake up, let your brake out, turn the key off. The car will still run. Now you lock the car. Car shut down. Now it will allow you to start the car through the factory remote. Right, here we go. 1, 2, 3. There we go, starting. You want to turn it off the same press on the remote. 1, 2, 3. Now shut down. Right, and I installed the touch pads on the car as well. You unlock the car from the door. Example, you don't want to carry your key around. You just press the red button here. Hold it. There we go. The car just locked. To get back into the car, you have to press the pin code. The car will disarm itself. Thank you for watching. Any more info? Please call us on 9601 0110. Thank you.